Hey guys, it's Beth from Cantata Wellness, and it's Technique Tuesday day. So I want to do some stretching of Hallie's thoracic spine. So what I want to do from the side lying position is do a nice deep tuck. So I'm going to tuck my linens under her thighs, under her bottom, and all the way up her thoracic vertebrae. So she feels nice and tightly tucked in as we move. Sometimes you have to grab your fitted linen to make sure that you tuck all that flat linen in, but you want your client to feel nice and covered. So we do what we need to do. So now I'm going to walk around to this side, and we're going to just sort of start with a little bit of distraction just to kind of loosen all these joints up and get her moving and feeling good. And then we're going to just kind of move her more into this stretched position. Now, depending on how you do this, you can kind of adjust. You can get up underneath your client's arm if you want to. I like to have my hand that's closer to their feet free because I'm going to kind of push in a couple of different directions. So this is my preferred position, but you can do a couple of different things. So whatever kind of makes you happy. So here I'm kind of holding on to her hip bone, bringing it to me slightly and pushing back on the scapula and the rib cage. Now, we can do this a little bit deeper if we feel like we want to. It's kind of up to you what you do. And then I'm going to just sort of have her roll a little bit onto her back. And I can bring this other arm up and stretch through here. And now, as I do this, I can put pressure on the knee or the thigh or the hip as I'm rotating this thoracic vertebrae and just kind of loosening up my client's thoracic spine a little bit. I hope this helps you guys. I hope you have a great week. Please like and subscribe. We will talk to you soon.